Hello everyone, today we will discuss the second part of our first topic, that is known as marriage. And already we had discussed all the concept related to marriages, the introduction, definition, types and forms. In this lecture we will discuss the causes for the change in the institution of marriage, then we will discuss the challenges or dysfunctions of the marriages, and then we will discuss the relevance of marriages in the contemporary society. Now we all see that today the marriages are changing, the institutions of marriages are facing changes or challenges. Now what should be the causes for that change? What should be the causes? We will discuss the cause. What should be the first cause? The first cause is modern education. What should be the first cause? First cause, that is modern education. Modern education lead to secularization of the masses that bring changes in the institution of marriage. The first cause is modern education. What should be the second cause? The second cause is individualism. Individualism means people are much more centric towards itself, not for the society. So modern education, individualism, and the third important thing is intercaste and inter-religion marriages are much more prominent nowadays. Intercaste and inter-religion. Individualism, modern education, intercaste and inter-religion. The fourth important point that causes changes in the institution of marriage is increase in the median age of marriages. Increasing median age. What should be the fifth important point? Changing in the value system, changing in the belief systems related to marriage, values and beliefs. So this is all about the 5 points, and all these 5 points are given by Kapadia. We will write here. These 5 points are given by Kapadia. That the causes for the change in the institution of marriage given by Kapadia, that is education, individualism, intercaste, inter-religion marriages are on high, increase in median age, and the values and the rituals, beliefs that is related to marriages are changing nowadays. Now we move on to the second topic, that is the challenges or dysfunctions of marriages in the present society. Now in challenges we will discuss what are the challenges. So according to Anthony Giddens, he said that nowadays single parenthood, living apart relationship and living relationship is on high. So people are avoiding marriages. Living apart relationship, living relations, and single parenthood. These three phenomena is on high that brings challenges to the institution of marriages according to Anthony Giddens. Now what should be the second important challenges or dysfunctions of marriages? In this we will discuss feminist Veena Das. Now what he say? He said that women are nowadays saying no to marriages. The empowered women are not interested in marriages because they are just, the institution of marriages are patriarchal in nature. So women are saying no to marriages. Now what should be the third thing which we will discuss in challenges? According to Colleen Gibson, what he said? He said that due to increase in secularization, the belief system or the value system related to marriages are decreasing, which bind two couples. Increasing secularization. Due to increase in secularization or secular beliefs, the divine beliefs or the belief or the value system which are related to the marriages which binds couple together are decreasing nowadays. So there is increase in the divorce rate also. So this is all about Colleen Gibson, feminist Veena Das and Anthony Giddens. And these three phenomena are because of increase in modernity. We have to write here. So this is all about the challenges or dysfunction. And in this we will write Colleen Gibson. He said that marriage is no longer a divine act. So this is all about challenges or the dysfunctions of marriages. Now what should be the relevance? So as we all know that people in India or in the entire world, the number of people who is getting married is much more higher than non-married people, or the people who are in living relationship, lesbian couples, gay couples, or whatever. So the relevance is much more important. And in this we will discuss the concept given by the concept given by Ronald Fletcher. He said that in the present time also marriage is very, very important. He said that increase in the divorce rate is not questioning the institution of marriages. Increase in the divorce rate increases the increase in the divorce rate means elevated status of marriage. Means people who are not comfortable with one people, he leave him and then he go for the next marriage. So increase in the divorce rate or whatever, so that is not degrading marriage institution. It enhances their status. And the second thing what he said, Ronald Fletcher, he said that the marriages are much more romantic as well as much more responsible in nature in the present society. Romantic as well as responsible. So this is all about the relevance of marriages, these are the challenges of the marriages, and these are the causes for the change in the institution of marriages. So this is all about the concept related to marriages. UPSC will ask this topic each and every format in 10 marker or in 20 marker, but not beyond that. This is all about the concept of marriages, and hope you like the video lecture. Thank you so much.